In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create multiple DHCP server on VLANs in Cisco routers. Hello, my name is Talhali and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I have one router and one switch and 4 computers which are connected to the Cisco switch. So let me show you one by one. So the first computer PC1 is connected to switch fast Ethernet 0/1 and the other one 2, 3, 4, and 0/24 is connected with the router, and router port is now shut because there is no configuration. So what is the scenario? I'm going to have 2 VLANs and 2 DHCP servers under these 2 IP addresses. So how we're going to configure that? So first start with the computers. So first of all, I'm just going to set the IP address to get from the DHCP, VLAN 22 and VLAN. I'm gonna just rename them HR, and this one is going to be IT. Alright, so the first port is going to be in the HR, and the second one is going to be in the HR, the third one is going to be in the IT, and the fourth one is going to be in the IT as well. And port 0/24 is going to be the trunk, the port which is going to carry all the VLAN. So the switch is already configured. Now go to the router and let's configure step by step. So first of all, I'm going to configure interfaces for VLAN. So it's a little bit different. We are going to configure IP addresses on fast Ethernet 0/0, but it's going to be in the virtual. So first of all, I'm going to just unshut 0/0, no shut. Okay, the port is up. Okay, so I'm going to go to interface fast Ethernet 0/0.21. So that's going to be connected with the VLAN 21, right? So enter, and I'm going to change the encapsulation .1Q and the VLAN number 21, and then the IP address, which is going to be 10.100.100.1 255.255.0. Exit, and then another interface fast Ethernet 0/0.22. Yeah, I entered it correctly, and it's going to be the encapsulation .1Q for 22, and the IP address is going to be 172.16.10.1 255.255.255.0. Enter, and then exit. Okay, so now we just configured IP addresses on the virtual LANs of router. And now I'm going to configure the DHCP server. So it's going to be, first of all, I'm going to exclude the IP addresses which are in the which is assigned to the actual networks. So it's going to be IP DHCP excluded addresses, which is going to be 172.168.10.1, and then the other one is going to be 10.100.100.1. That's all. Okay, and then I'm going to create IP DHCP pool for HR, and the network for HR is 10.100.100.0, and the subnet is 255.255.255.0. so it's a 24/24 network. Okay, and the default gateway is going to be 10.100.100.1, and the DNS is going to be the same. Okay, exit, and then I'm going to go to IP DHCP pool for the IT department, and the network is going to be 172.168.10.0 255.255.255.0, and the default router is going to be 172.168.10.1, and the DNS is going to be the same 172.168.10.1. all right, so let's check the configuration. Okay, so we excluded those addresses, we created 2 pools, we created 2 interfaces for VLAN and Yeah, there is no other configuration. You can see there is no interface VLAN 21 or 22. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the PC and see. So now you can see it's getting the IP address, which is 10.100.100.3, and which is from VLAN 21, because these two PCs are in VLAN 21, and another PC3 is in the VLAN 22. So it should be showing the IP address 172.1.6 series. So there you go, you can see the IP address. And let's just test something else. I'm just going to add another computer right here and another one right here. So I'm connecting them to the switch, this one right here and this one right here. And what's the port? Let's see, 0/5 and 0/6. So I'm going to set this one as HR and 6 as IT. Okay, so let's see, they are like brand new computers, how they are working. Is there any additional configuration I need to do for those? Because I was working on this one like it's been 30 minutes and I was struggling like how people are doing in layer 3 switch, but that doesn't make sense to me. If I'm using a router, I want to configure everything on the router. Switch just has to like carry the VLAN data, right? It's not like you configuring everything on the switch. That doesn't make sense because switch is layer 2 switch, layer 2 device. Okay, so let's go to that PC and see the configuration. So I'm going to click on DHCP, it's requesting IP address, there you go. So my configuration is perfectly fine, and if you see any kind of article where people are configuring DHCP server on layer 3 switch, you guys can comment out my video link, like see how that thing's gonna work. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.